Welcome to Supplygraph.AI, your integrated AI assistant for supply chain intelligence. Today, I'm introducing you to the first of our resilient sourcing suite, Geographic Concentration Agent. This agent is built for one single purpose: to understand how your suppliers and their suppliers cluster in the physical world, so that your supply chain management department can anticipate how geographic events, natural disasters, logistic disruptions, etc., impact your supply chain network. Now, let's launch the agent. For this agent to work, enter your target company name, home country, and the country/region you are interested in. It usually takes hours for our AI to go through the entire database. As an example, let's look at NVIDIA's supply chain network in South Korea. This report talks about how it defines geographic concentration, the data it uses, and key findings. Here is a list of key products in NVIDIA's supply chain network that AI considers highly concentrated. Taiwan, South Korea, Japan, and the US are the key areas these products, actually, their manufacturers, cluster in. Part 4 identifies the major manufacturers of these key products, and Part 5 further breaks down regions in South Korea where the manufacturers reside. That's the end of our introduction for Geographic Concentration Agent. Supplygraph.AI has also built risk alerts to report on key events that impact these regions, thus having ripple effects on your supply chain network. If you are interested, check out our other products at www.supplygraph.ai.